Hi everybody, it's Cathy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the IT Cosmetics It Girl Volume 2 Makeup Palette. It's their limited edition eyeshadow and cheek palette featuring 12 matte and radiant eyeshadows plus a one-of-a-kind ombre blush. Naturally pretty eyeshadows deliver long-wearing, lid-loving color and make your eyes look younger. The Bye Bye Pores blush is in an exclusive ombre shade which adds a youthful flush to your cheek and blurs out the look of pores. There are anti-aging ingredients including hydrolyzed collagen, silk, and antioxidants. So I just wanted to show you the palette. It comes with a really big mirror and those are the eyeshadows. I haven't tried them out, but I'm going to try them out now with you to give you my first impressions. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. Overall, first impressions without trying any of these shadows is I think that it's a nice combination of warm and cool shades. The shades are listed below each of the eyeshadows, and the ombre blush is a very nice light nude soft petal pink and honey bronze blended together for the perfect glow. I think the packaging is adorable. It has these little sparkles. You probably can't see them. The lights are probably blinding you, but there's little pink sparkles, and whenever you move the palette, they dance around. I do like the packaging, even though this gets finger marks on it quite easily. I do like the packaging. It retails for $38 US or 56 Canadian. That's quite a price difference. I didn't realize there was that much of a price difference until I was gathering my research. So let's go ahead and create a look together. I'll zoom you in. I have primed my eyelids. I do have oily eyelids. So let me think here. Colors are all pretty nice except for this mustardy orange one. I don't see myself using that, but a few of you have said it might look nice in the crease, but I'm not going to use it today just in case it doesn't. So I'm going to, using my Kat Von D brush, I'm going to put Style. It's over here. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. So that just gives a nice, nice color all over the eyelid. And then in the crease, I think I'm gonna go in with this bottom one, Festive. I'm gonna put that in the crease and just see what it looks like. I'm just gonna use a Wet n Wild brush. There isn't much fallout, which is nice. It's not overly pigmented, but I mean, I like that, so you might get more pigment if you had your brush damp. But for me, this is perfect. This is right up my alley. That's what it looks like with the two of them. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Pearls, and I'm just gonna pat that on the inner corner, that 1/3 of the eyelid, just to brighten things up. And I'm gonna go back vacuum with the, is it Festive, the one in the corner. Just go back over the crease and a little bit above my crease. Like I said, if you like a lot of pigment, so far I'm not seeing a whole lot in this palette, but if you like a natural, everyday, pretty look, I think you might like this. There is no fallout. I'm not getting any fallout. Let me show you. And then I'm going to go in with the lightest white color and just go underneath the eyebrow. Now I find that is very pigmented, the white, so I'm just going to soften it up. Wow, that really opened my eyes. I think it really brightened up my eyes nice. And then I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury shader brush, and I think I'm going to go in with that Festive, the dark purple color, and I'm just going to smudge it under here. Yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot of pigment. Oh, but that's okay. I mean, this would be a great palette for, you know, a young girl just learning about makeup, or if you're a lady that doesn't want like a lot of pigment, or just starting out wearing makeup. I think this would be great because it is buildable, and you can see the difference between this eye and this one. So we'll go ahead and smoke under this one. So that's what it looks like with one application. And then we'll go in with our second. And go in with the third. Because wearing glasses, you want to be able to see your makeup. Or my glasses. Oh. And just to show you, you can see like underneath with glasses on that it does show up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner. And everything will be listed below. And I think what I'm going to do is go in with the angled edge of the Kat Von D brush, and I'm just going to see what that midnight color looks like in the corner. And I'll just stamp it in the outer V. And then bring it along overnight. Yeah, not a lot of pigment even with the dark color, so I'm gonna blend that up. And I'll just put some mascara on. Put some lipstick on. Now let's try the blush, and I'm just gonna swirl my brush around. I think that the blush applied very nicely. It just gives a hint of a glow and a hint of a color, almost as if you had blushed. So that's the finished look. So overall impressions, I liked this palette. I think that is perfect for somebody that's new to makeup or for somebody that just likes a natural, pretty, everyday look. I think it would be a nice Christmas gift for a teenage girl because there's a lot of different looks that you can create, and I like the fact that it has the 16 eyeshadows plus the blush highlighter all in one. I think the packaging is quite nice. If you're looking for a lot of pigment, I don't think you're going to find it in this palette, but perhaps you could create more dramatic looks if you went in with a wet brush, but I can't speak to that because that's not something that I have tried. So I hope that you've enjoyed my review and first impressions of the It Girl Volume 2 eyeshadow and cheek palette. If you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you'll go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. I have a lot of holiday videos planned coming up in the next 6 weeks, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of those. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.